Hello guys, so we're gonna play realistic car driving, I guess. So then we just start playing over here. Well, I press play, right? After that, I just go around, I guess. And I'm gonna show you guys my world fastest car. Right over here, you go to here, pass, and then this hyper pass. And see flash right over here, and then that. You see that? That's my car. And then after that, I can drive. I'm gonna move in 3, 2, 1. Oh, this goes fast. I don't know how to even drive, bro. Like, this. I think this is called realistic car driving because, look, it says how fast you're going. I'm going like 17 kilometers per hour and like almost 100 kilometers per hour. Nice. You can see part 3 of how I drive in full speed. Oh my god. Oh, I made a flip. Oh, now I'm stuck. Okay. We should go full speed right over here. Look how fast I'm going. Oh. I almost crashed. Well, what happens if I just go up the hill, like, let's see, off-roading? It's pretty good. Hyper pass. Oh, I flipped over. That's... Wait, what happens if you drive on water? Oh, I cannot go there. See part 2 of what happens when I go into water. Well, let's see how fast it goes backwards. Oh, it just goes like 56 kilometers per hour. Oh, it's already like 380 kilometers per hour. Let's see what happens if I go through here. Okay, nice. Well, you can go to different roads. That's good. I'm gonna get a different car. You know that. I'm gonna stop right over here. This is my other car. This might go even faster. Let's check it out. You can hear like the rev, like. Oh wow. Let's see what happens in the water. Oh, nothing just happens. Well, you just drive slower on the water. Okay. Well, we have a great idea. Guys, what if I go through the ramp in full speed? Like the ramp I just did on that hill on full speed and a higher ramp. Like what I mean. Look, I can show you. It's like straight this way. Okay, 430 kilometers per hour. Pretty good. I gotta have to turn. Oh, that's hard. That's very hard. I don't have much of a steering wheel. Well, oh my god. I'm so bad at driving. And you can see I'm level I'm level 101. I can see it. 101. Let's continue. I don't know how I'm so bad at driving at level 101. Bro. Like and subscribe to have a part 2 of where I can drive a ramp in a hill to the death tunnels in this game. Okay? Because it's not scary, but it'll be cool. Gas station. You see that ramp over there? Look, this is how it looks like. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that car, bro. Yo. That must have been crazy, bro. Oh my god. Okay. That was pretty good. Okay, so what should I do next? Okay, that was the end. This was the crazy ramp at the end. Subscribe for more videos of gaming and different games.